All right, so here's the deal. I'm gonna teach a woman how to weld.
All right.
It's gonna be scary. She's never welded in her life. We just turned on the welder a minute ago. I showed her how to spot weld and stuff. And now I'm gonna teach her how to weld. So we'll see what happens. And I figured it'd be fun to have you guys hang around and see what happens. You ready?
I was born ready. I'm pretty sure these gloves could be used to hide a crime scene. I have to wear cheaters.
All right.
So here we go.
So you wanna turn the heat all the way up, and then you got the welder on like 3.5. You turn on the gas. You got your helmet set up where you like it.
And then, okay, so say I wanted to weld something thinner though, I gotta turn it back up.
If you want to weld something thinner, you're gonna have to turn the heat down,
Okay.
and you might even want to mess around with the wire speed
Okay.
to turn the wire down. So you want to weld on the other side? You want to try to weld on this side? Or you want another piece?
I should probably put another piece on
All right, I want to see spot weld on it anyways.
spotted the crud out of this one. That could be
Here, like this. Right?
I suppose. Should have the camera over here so they can see me either
All right.
succeed or fail.
I'm gonna do that. I'll grab the camera that way they can see.
I'm ready.
There you got it.
You got it.
Rule
Perfect.
number 1 of welding.
I can't hear a damn thing you're saying. You can't do that. Oh my God. You're gonna tear your head off.
Okay, so that's like the first thing you have to teach a welder, right?
Yeah. You can only flip it down. You can't flip it up. All right. So she's made a couple spot welds.
Do I need to trim that?
Yeah. And usually when it's like that, just take your pliers and cut it off about right here, where it's comfortable.
All right.
That's why you'll see me carrying these all over the place when I'm welding.
All right. So,
Now she's attempting to do another spot weld again, so we'll see what happens.
it's kind of little.
Did it hold?
Nope.
Nope. All right, do it again.
Suckage, Batman. All right.
All right, here you go.
Whoa! Why did it jump like that?
If you have to, stick it in there like this and hold it and go back and forth like this.
Okay.
But hold the tip down in there. You're up, you're off the,
Yeah. So that's why it jumped? That's
Yeah.
why it went- okay, got it.
because you're pushing the wire back on that.
Okay. Sorry. Still kind of little. Leave it.
Let go, let go.
Leave it.
There you go. You did it.
All right. Now.
All right, I already told you what to do when you're welding. So she attempted right here to weld, and then now I want you to go ahead and just start welding, okay? And
This
then,
was just a freak of nature thing.
yep. So now I want you to get comfortable like I showed you though, okay?
Yep.
Because I was trying to explain to Heidi that, you know, being comfortable is one of the most important things when you're welding. It helps out a lot. All right, here goes your first weld. See if you're gonna. Wow, you've got to be joking.
Is it good?
That's beautiful.
Did it do good?
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yay.
Very, very nice.
Check me out. It's hereditary. My dad could weld. My daughter
Okay,
can
that's actually pretty cool. Seriously, I wouldn't say that if I didn't mean it.
weld. Get off my... Yay.
No,
Check
that's
me out.
awesome. That's a beautiful weld.
I'm gonna go build the car.
Good luck with that. All right, come on, dummy.
Okay,
Get
now
over
what
here
am
and
I
weld. Huh?
What am I doing now? I thought I
No,
was
you're
a
gonna
master.
practice welding. No, you're not a master. Good
I
God.
got this down. All right.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna do this whole thing.
Go for it. Now I want you to go the other way now because you've already tried it one way, and go the other way and see if you like it. Which is more comfortable, dragging it? Which is more comfortable, dragging the weld or pushing the weld?
I think dragging. It
All right.
feels better that way.
Well, then go for it.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Favorite part.
I might just wear a welding helmet around just to do that.
Figures.
So, I'm gonna start way over here and see if I can.
Go for it.
Hopefully, I don't weld it to the table. Come on, friend. Oops, I didn't finish. Let me finish.
That's all right. Go ahead.
Whoa! It just shot away. Nip it. So why did you do that?
Because the wire is getting pushed out of the stinger.
Okay.
Wow. All right, come on, guys. Guys, I know you're going to say something. Girls, you got to say something too. For her first weld, that's amazing. And I promise you, she's never welded before ever. So this is her first weld. That's pretty damn good.
I tried once and I
That
pulled
last
my
part right there.
Is it good?
Yeah, that turned out really nice.
Cool.
No, you're going to get it down really fast, so that's
Remember
awesome.
that time I tried to weld and I pulled my hand out of the glove and you were welding the whole time? It was great. He's like, you did really good. I didn't weld anything. Anyways. Wow. Okay, cool.
No, that's awesome.
So
It's
what
going to be
am
really hot too, so be careful.
What am I doing next? I'm wearing my gloves.
All right.
The smallest
Now I want
welding
you
gloves
to
ever.
I want you to do the same thing here,
Finish it?
but see how this is really tiny. These where am I at? These are really tiny right here.
Yeah.
I want you to make them wider, so that on this side, it's really hot. So be careful.
Okay.
You're gonna slow it down and go more of a. Are you
it's a
doing like
little
a C or what are you making? What shape?
I'm kind of just, it feels like it's stitching a little.
Up and down?
Like, yeah, like a stitch.
Okay, then go slower.
Okay.
Way slower than what you're. Go half the speed you're doing, and then go up and down, and then that way it'll give you a fatter weld.
Okay. And
we'll
I
see
think
what
I'm
happens.
gonna pull a little bit more because I'm almost like straight on.
Yep.
Is that a big deal?
Yep.
No.
Yeah, it's better to pull it a little bit better.
Okay.
Put your helmet down.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh my
First
god.
thing I learned, best welding thing ever.
Go for it.
Okay.
Let me see that. All right, that's a gorgeous weld right there. That's your speed. That's what you need to do right there. That's like a damn near perfect weld.
Huh.
Beautiful.
Slick trick, Mick.
Awesome.
Check it out. I'm a welder.
Come on, do your helmet thing one more time. You know, Paco and Veronica are laughing their asses off right now.
Thanks for watching.